One question we often get asked is, how do you find a reliable manufacturer? So if you're looking at a few products and you want to sell those on Amazon Australia, New Zealand, how do you find a reliable supplier that is not going to rip you off, a supplier that's going to provide a quality product at the best price in a quality time frame? And it's sort of the $1 million question, right? Let me sort of guide you and give you a bit of a really good news, actually. Alibaba do not make money ripping people off. They make money by providing incredible quality products and having you return again buying more products. That's why Alibaba is one of the richest companies in the world, and Jack Ma, one of the richest men in the world, because Alibaba is a very safe website where you can actually, all your money that you pay is in escrow, which means that if there's ever any issue at all with your products, with your manufacturer, Alibaba doesn't pay the supplier. So you're always well protected. So yeah, you don't really need to worry too much about that sort of stuff happening, because it doesn't really happen anymore. It used to happen about 10, 12 years ago. It doesn't happen anymore. And Alibaba basically, they've cleaned up their act quite considerably. If you're looking to get something started on Amazon New Zealand or Amazon Australia, like I said, the biggest challenge people have is not finding suppliers. It's actually not finding suppliers at all. The biggest challenge is people just deciding on which product that they want to sell. Which product that they're deciding essentially to jump on first, and that's it. It's not what product do I sell, or what product do I, how do I get a supplier, or how do I list the product? It's what do I sell? Because sometimes there's so many options. Where's that bird? That's a bird over there. There's so many options on what you can sell. It's baby products, kitchen products, furnishings, homewares, fitness products. Like there's thousands, hundreds of thousands of products out there that you can choose. It's just a matter of really just pulling the trigger and pulling the finger out and deciding which one you want to jump on. And that's it. I'm here in Auckland. I've been running a workshop here for the last, been here for 3 days actually, but a lot of our New Zealand clients, exactly the same issue, finding a product idea. Not finding a supplier, finding a product idea has been their sticking point, right? So, or their challenge, I should say. So give us a call if you're looking to get something started. You're based in Australia or New Zealand. 99.9% of all our clients are based in Australia and New Zealand. I would love to work with you. We do workshops in Australia, in Sydney. We do workshops on the Gold Coast. We do workshops in Auckland. And I'd love to work with you. I'd love to help you get something started and off the ground. No more talk. There's enough talk, enough planning time. Sometimes it's time to take action. All right. So if you've been thinking about this for a while, it's probably best that you just do something about it. Less talk, just pull the trigger out, pull the finger out, pull the trigger, and decide, all right, let's do it. Let's start building the side business. Let's start spending more time with my family. Let's start basically building a business that maybe one day you can sell and pass on. That could be it as well. All right, have a great day. Stay safe. Bye for now.
Are you based in Australia or New Zealand and you want to get something started on Amazon? I want to talk to you about selling on Amazon. I want to talk to you about how to get started. What's your first 2 or 3 products going to be? The number one reason people say they want to start on Amazon is because of freedom. Freedom to work for themselves, freedom from their boss. They want to spend more time with their family. They want to spend more time with their kids. They want to finally live a life on their own terms. I really want to mentor you. I want to help you find the products, buy the products, fund the products, how much to pay for your products, how to start your own brand and sell your own brand on Amazon, how to find suppliers, how to get the best deals, how to launch and sell your products on Amazon, and how to scale. You guys, ladies and gentlemen, should get started today and find out more on how we can work together.
I did it to try and find more time.
Build a business that I can sort of work on and expand and make decent income from.
We have gone ahead in leaps and bounds. We love it.
I'm enjoying the course thoroughly. It explains things very well.
This course to me is much better than a lot of the other courses that people are offering because of the personal touch.
Go with someone that's in Australia. A bit more in common too with things that we can sell and buy.
What I've loved about the training is the personalised service. It's been the access to experts that are on hand to answer your questions, and they do it really well.
I decided that a 9-to-5 traditional way of earning money was no longer an option for me.
I choose Alex and his team because they have good system in place in teaching us beginners.
I can do it in my own time, and if I have any trouble, I know I can message them.
I've really enjoyed the support around me. It's been really enjoyable having them there and knowing at a click of a button, you just ask them a question.
This kind of business is, you have to learn a lot. You need this type of team to do it.
I never done in the online business before, and you have the guideline and to do anything from beginning.
It's set out logically, it's easy to follow, it's simple.
Full of knowledge, down to earth. What they have in knowledge is just invaluable.
Very easy to understand, and the support that you get after.
Email questions or send text messages and things, and usually you get a reply within about a day or so.
I will happily recommend this program to anybody who has no previous experience or knowledge in the online business.
Yes, I'd be happy to recommend to any of my friends, colleagues, or anyone that should ask.
The software programs that they use with finding products, how to use and focus on keywords.
The training part is very comprehensive, very nicely laid out, step-by-step program. It's easy to find things that you're looking for.
I'm new at any business. This is my first time starting any business at all, and I just feel comfortable, I feel confident, and to know that there's support.
Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, buy my own products to go and sell on Amazon. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant.
Absolutely, I'll be recommending this to all my friends and family.
Yep, I'd be an advocate for it. The 10 basic steps makes it so easy and really simple and clear.
For sure, this is the best move that I had.
I couldn't have done it without them pretty much. It's been really good.
Highly recommend them.
Yeah, for sure. Very informative.
It's not possible to make a success in a short time without someone to support and mentor you.
Definitely do it. It's another income stream.
Yeah, that they should definitely join the program because, sometimes you find a lot of information on the internet and then you don't know where to start.
Alex and the whole team are just really genuine.
I highly recommend it. I'm a very hands-on person, so I like to see things before I do them.
If I had a problem, I either rang him, sent him a message, he'd call me straight back or answer my call, and he was always there to help, which has been pretty awesome.
It's really good, gives you a really good insight, and just having the knowledge that you've got a team behind you that you can speak to and grab advice from.
Just to go for it. Really highly recommend it. These people are genuine people.
Absolutely. I've done a lot of different seminars over the years. Alex conferences are number one.
Do it in a heartbeat. I wouldn't second guess it. Do it. You get so much out of it, and knowing that you have such a great supporting team behind you.
I'd say it's probably one of the best courses. I've actually done other courses, and for a starting person, this is the ideal way to start.
This has been really good, this training, all the way around, at home and here over the last 2 days.
There's lots of things to learn, and you'll have a really good time trying to find and reach your goals.
I work shift work, sending text messages at random hours, and he always seems to get back to me, or emails, get back to me really fast.
They know their stuff. I just got to trust them.
Very down to earth, very approachable, and extremely helpful.
I can honestly highly recommend that if you want a successful business in Amazon, join Alex and his team. You won't be sorry.
And that you've got someone to talk to. If you've got a question, there's an actual person that you can talk to, and they're really, really helpful.